paghiwalay ako sa'yo, huwag kang papayag ha. Sabi. So isip ko bakit kaya niya nasabi yun. Siguro tupakin ko. So nagawa naman ako. So over the years, ilang beses tayo muntik maghiwalay pero yun talaga yung pinanindigan ko. Alam ko seryoso ka na sa mga times na yon, pero ako deep inside yung pinanghahawakan ko, hindi ako papayag. Papayag ba kayong ito sa mga crop top na ito?
These are the good times, nothing but blue skies, sunset to sunrise, living the best life. These are the good times, nothing but blue skies, saints in the sunlight, living the best life. Ready for the good times. Let's enjoy the view. I'm ready for the good times. Everything feels so brand new. I'm ready for the good times. Let's enjoy the view. I'm ready for the good times. Everything feels so brand new. I'm ready for the good times. Let's enjoy the view. I'm ready for the good times. Everything feels so brand new. Everything feels so brand new. Everything feels so brand new. Never was an early riser. Used to be up all night. Never saw the morning light. Quite like
Hindi wala. Wow.
never said
Ganda.
no to a party.
Ganda.
Never started
Walang iya.
saving money.
Wow.
Everything is different since you've
Pero, ikat.
been around.
Sabit na.
It's a way of
Dear
smiling
Steven,
at
10 years in the making, and here we are, finally sharing this
It's a
special day
way
together.
I've watched you
And it feels
change
surreal,
from
but I'm
a
incredibly
boy
happy to be
man.
standing with you here
It's a
today.
million things about you, and I don't know what it is. I have never known a love like this.
Ladies, thank you so much sa pagpunta dito kahit malayo. Ayan.
Never used to get excited to sit here in the
You were
sun.
blessed with two beautiful kids, Brian and Lucas. You have raised them well, and that all their good traits were because of you.
Didn't used to know how fast time walks and runs and flies by. I never thought I'd feel so deeply, but damn, I do. It's
I know I've failed you a million times. Broken hopes. Umasa ka sa akin sa mga future plans for us and our family. Broken dreams. You switch your career so you can stay and take care of our kids. You sacrifice your buhay dalaga so you can guide Brian and Lucas every day. Broken promises. I have promised a lot of plans that did not happen. At sa lahat ng yun, you still stay. You suffered long enough and hindi ko napapaliwala yung lahat yun.
empty without you.
Hi babe, konting kembot na lang. Will officially be husband and wife in a few hours. Before we get there, please accept this little survival kit I have prepared for you. I hope it
It's
comes
the
in
way
handy
you're
as you navigate
smiling
married
at
life.
me. It's in the way you hold my hand. It's the way I've watched you change me from a boy into a man. It's a million things about you, and I don't know what it is, but I've never known a love like this. I've never known a love like this.
Wow! Ang dami!
First, a book by Nico Bolzico, Bullied Husbands Club. I'm not saying that you'll be bullied, ha? Ha ha ha. Manual daw to, so I hope it helps. You make my heart happy. Second, search to show the world that you are taken and unavailable.
Ay! Saan yon? Alin yon? Teka lang, siya mo. Ikaw magkalkal?
I never asked for that, wasn't expecting that, but I hold it.
Happy wife, happy life. Happy husband, suspicious wife. Beware of the wife.
Yan!
That crime.
I remember our early dates, just sitting on the bench by the lake, talking about anything and everything under the sun. We shared childhood memories, dreams, and future plans, laughing about the silliest things. And before we knew it, malalim na pala ang gabi. And yet, it always feels like time wasn't enough. Laging bitin. Even now, every moment with you feels like those early days. Never enough. Because that's how much I want to be with you.
Remember our first date.
And third, a watch to remind you na oras na para umuwi. Kasi excited na kami ng mga kids na makasama.
Aww.
Kidding aside, thank you for making this dream come to life. I'm excited to say I do. Not excited to dance though. Hugs and kiss from your soon-to-be wife Zilla. LJ.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Chances are made, our advances are laid, all our cards on the table. My heart, it's unable to give up yet. I'm only just getting started.
Alam ko, nagka-ideahan na sa gift ko kahit na dinideny ko na isa to sa possible gifts ko sa'yo. Ang kulit mo kasi, tanong ka ng tanong kung ito ba regalo mo sa akin? Ito ba gift mo sa akin? Ala, ang haba. Muntik ba wala yung element of surprise? Sana magustuhan mo yung kulay at model. Kung meron pa akong gustong irregalo sa'yo, ibibigay ko sa'yo yung paningin ko para makita mo. Para makita mo kung gaano kaganda. Ayun! At ka-special sa akin, mga mata. At para makita mo na ikaw ang pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko.
Stronger. There's a million things I could say to you. I know you heard them all before.
Hindi ako magsasawang ibigay yung mga gusto mo. Basta ba kaya ko, you deserve to be treated like a queen. Together, always and forever, I love you and I can't wait to see you walk down the aisle. You deserve all the best things in life. Love, CJ.
Lost without you.
That's how clingy I am pagdating sa'yo. Kaya naging mahirap when you had to work in a different city and eventually in a different country. A decade as lovers, but most of it spent apart. I won't sugarcoat it. Long distance relationship is hard, difficult, and sometimes painful.
Make it last, make it permanent. We can go everywhere from here. I will follow you anywhere. No, I'll never look back. Oh my.
Kung meron akong 100% criteria for a perfect woman, 1,000,000% score mo. Ganun ka ka-special. Ganun kita kamahal. Your eyes are my weakness. Alam mo yan. And it is also my strength to wake up every morning knowing that I married the most beautiful girl in my eyes.
In this moment, somewhere out of this world.
Darating din ang araw na hindi na natin kailangan magbilang ng oras, maghintay ng bawat bukas, at mainip sa mga linggong lilipas. Hahantong din tayo sa pagkakataong hindi na lang sa telepono magpapalitan ng mahal kita. Darating din ang araw na hindi mo na kailangan umalis. Hindi na natin kailangan manghinayang sa mga lakaw na sandali, mabitin at magpadali. Aayon din sa atin ang pagkakataon at hindi na tayo susubukin pa ng distansya dahil darating din tayo sa puntong hindi na natin kailangang isipin ng oras dahil palilipasin na natin ito ng magkasama.
Out of this world. Moving fast like a bullet train, turning lies into getaways. You and I on a great escape, anyway, anywhere from here. Oh, my pillow's your soul, your body's my home. And when I feel you so close, you take me out of this world. 'Cause without you there's nowhere that I wanna go. So can we stay in this moment, somewhere out of this world?
I will pray for you daily, asking God to bless you and guide you. Lastly, I promise you myself, my best and worst days, my victories and defeats, my highs and lows. Just like for the past 10 years, I vow to never stop sharing my life with you. Always and forever, I love you.
We stay in this moment, somewhere out of this world.